In this video, I'm going to show you how to drop a pin on Google Maps. So in order for us to proceed, let's go ahead and find some spot. So let's try this one right here in the middle of the mountain. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and long press one specific part here. Say, for example, this one. I'm just going to long press it, and you should be able to see that now we have dropped a pin. So when you drop a pin, there are a couple of options that you can do here. You can go ahead and click this one in order for you to see directions in there, or you can just go ahead and start right away. Now, if you're going to scroll this one here, you should be able to save it or share it. Say, for example, you are at this particular location and you want people to find you. You can just go ahead and click the share button, and yep, they should be able to find you using that one. Another thing is adding a label. So say, for example, this is your home or somebody's home. You can just go ahead and click that one, and then you can enter a custom name here. Now, another suggestions here, we have school or a gym. So, yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.